Hey, I'm Jeff and welcome to I Eat Local. Typically I would go out and try more local spots, but KFC in Guyana must be a very big deal because I have had several people tell me that I have to go try KFC here in Guyana, including my top supporter who is Wall 1. So thank you, Wall, for all the support. I really appreciate it. So we're just going to jump right into today's video. I went ahead and got a three-piece combo. Three-piece combo is $2,100. I got an extra side of mashed potatoes, which is $500, and an extra biscuit, which is $160. So total for everything is $2,900 Guyanese, which is around $14.50, give or take. So I went with the three-piece spicy because most people recommend to get the spicy. They said that the Guyanese chicken here, the spicy chicken, is way better than what we have in the US. So I'm here to determine if that is true. So we're gonna try the chicken. Got the mashed potatoes, the fries. For whatever reason, unlike the US, you can't substitute the fries with the mashed potatoes. You have to just get both and pay extra. So that's what I did. Their rules, not mine. So I just went ahead and added the mashed potatoes. And so that's what we're gonna have today. They also gave regular ketchup. They have some sort of hot sauce that I'll be trying with the chicken. And they also gave honey for the biscuits. But I don't want that. I'd rather dip the biscuit in the mashed potatoes and eat it like you're supposed to. All right, so let's jump right in and start trying the chicken. All right, so we're gonna start with the wing. Looks like I got a wing, a breast, and a thigh. So that's what we'll go with. Start with the wing, go with the thigh, then the breast. So I like that I have a good combination of white and dark meat so I can compare both. Okay, so with the chicken, we're gonna do a little different than normal. I'm gonna wait till after I try the sides and everything, and then we'll come back to the chicken and I'll give you my opinion of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try the other pieces, jump to the sides. We'll come back to the chicken in a minute. So while I'm trying all the chicken, go ahead and go into the comments, right? Are you a white meat, dark meat kind of person? You like the leg, the wing, the thigh, the breast? Let me know in the comments what's your favorite part. I usually like the breast just because it's a nice large piece of meat, but you can't go wrong with a wing either. I think wings are really tasty. Here, I'll let you see the crust here. It's a really good batter on it. Very crispy. It's actually fried really well. All right, let's move on to the thigh. I think it's best just to use your hands and just dig right in. Here you can actually see the spices, or hopefully you can. I can see them. But you can see where they add the spice. So it is spicy chicken, which is what I requested. Almost forgot. Need to try a little hot sauce. Kind of looks like the Tabasco sauce that we have back in Louisiana. So try it now with all the hot sauce. Yeah, it definitely has the taste of like a buffalo wing sauce, kind of. So it definitely changes the flavor of the chicken, but really tasty sauce. All right, gonna finish this up and then move on to the breast. So tell the truth, who likes KFC just to eat the crust? Let me know. The chicken and all can sometimes be good, but usually the crust is where a lot of the flavor is. So how many people just like to peel the crust off and just eat it by itself like this? That's one of my favorite things on any fried chicken. All right, let's move on to some fries. We'll come back to the breast in a minute. So for the fries, really nothing special. To me, they're actually, usually the fries in the US at KFC would be lightly salted. I don't really get any salt on the fries. Tastes just like a plain fry. But that might just be how they do it, and then you add your own salt. I'm not sure. This is just how it came. But either way, it's still fried exactly how I like it. I actually like a more undercooked fry, where it's slightly crispy but still has some bend like that. To me, that's a nicely fried fry. But fries are good. I just think they personally need a little more salt, or any salt. But I don't have any, so we're gonna eat it like this. So the biscuit pretty much looks like a normal KFC biscuit, but I might as well try it just in case. Maybe they have a different recipe. Nope. Tastes just like I'm used to. The mashed potatoes you can get with or without gravy. I think you have to get gravy if you get mashed potatoes, so that's how I got it. And then I just use my biscuit as a spoon. Yeah, the mashed potatoes taste to me pretty similar to back home in the US. Really good. That's a good bite. All right, make room for the breast. Like I said earlier, get the crust. It's not the most healthiest part, but it sure is the most tasty. Try not to make a mess here. But on the breast, I think you can see a little more of the spice on it. So that way you can kind of see some of those spices that are included. I will say it definitely has a little heat to it. I mean, it's not like so spicy you can't eat it. It's a good spice. Put a little hot sauce. And I said a breast a while ago. This is actually appears to just be a thigh. It's just massive. So I just thought based on the size it was going to be a breast, but it's not. It's a thigh. All right, so let me get my hands cleaned up, and then we'll go into my opinions of the chicken itself, because that's really probably what everybody's wanting to know. All right, so let's talk about this chicken. So I'll go ahead and tell you there's a clear winner, and that winner is this chicken right here from Guyana. It is by far way better than what we get back in the US. And we can talk about maybe why. And I think there's a couple of reasons. One is the KFC back in the US doesn't have the traffic that they do here in Guyana. I've been by at least 3 KFCs, and there's always tons of cars, tons of people. So you know that they're constantly frying fresh chicken and serving fresh chicken. Whereas in the US, you just don't have that kind of traffic at KFCs. A lot of people prefer to go to Popeyes and other places than KFC. The other thing I'll mention about the spicy chicken is I don't think that they use all the same spices that we use in the US. So I don't know if in the Caribbean or here in Guyana, maybe they sprinkle in something different, but they definitely have a better flavor here. And I definitely like the subtle spiciness of the spicy chicken. I mean, to me, it's really like a perfect fried chicken too. The batter is nice and crispy. It's very juicy. I mean, look at this. You can just see right here, it's just tons of juice, tons of flavor. Crust, you can just see the crust is very crispy. So it's perfectly fried. So Wall One, I think you're right. I think your KFC might be the best on the planet. All right, that's a wrap. Now I get to eat the rest of these mashed potatoes with the biscuit.